welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. Today we're going to be unboxing and assembling the brand new Bugaboo Bee5 and I will show you everything that is in the box. Alright, so first you have that part right here where you have the manual. And you have two parts in the manual. It's like one is like the assembly and the other one is more like the security, like important information. So we're gonna keep that closed. This is the canopy, I think. This is the fabric seat. This is what you put in the canopy to hold it straight. So you're going to put it together. Then you have the base of the seat. So that's where we're going to put the fabric seat on. Right here. Oh, nice. And we have more stuff. Alright, so this is the whole stroller. And as you can see, or maybe you can't see it, but the rear wheels are already assembled and we're just going to assemble the front wheels. So I'll show you how. We're going to do it together. Now, we have, these are the adapters for the car seat, I believe. Yes, it's the adapters for the car seat. I can see it right here. That's great. We don't need it today, but we will need it. We will need it. Front wheels, 1, 2. And let me check what this is. I think then that's it. So that's the last thing. Let me check what it is. I think it is the, oh yeah, it's the cover for when it's raining. Alright, so I just laid everything on the floor and I'm going to show you and then we're going to assemble it together. Let me first remove the cardboard. We are going to put the front wheels on. That's it. And that's how you release it. This is the first step. Pull it. It's going to open. So this is the front and this is the bottom. You see you have holes here and then in the back you have holes for buttons. We are going to make sure we're releasing all this. The stroller, you're going to put the white insert in the white part.
Looks so good.